If you have never made pesto, what are you doing with your life? I swear it is so delicious, creamy, decadent, flavorful, and it also happens to be 100% plant-based. So let's get glowing. This video is sponsored by the OneGreatVegan shop. Go to shop.onegreatvegan.com to find everything you need to get colorful in the kitchen. We got aprons, cutting boards, bags, and so much more. So go online now to get your glow on. Today we are making a perfect protein pesto sandwich, and it's got fresh tomato, lettuce, and the star of the recipe, our protein pesto. We just got hummus and chickpeas and extra spinach in there. Y'all, she is so delicious.
All right, my loves, you know what to do. First, gather up all of your ingredients. Now, this is a super fresh recipe that has a bunch of things that I know you're gonna love. We got tomatoes, as well as chickpeas, spinach, and a little jalapeno in there for spiciness. Now, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is slice into your lemon and add that in with your basil, a little spinach, a little arugula if you're feeling crazy, and we're gonna add in some garlic as well. Seasoning and spices always make things nice. Also, be sure to add in some hummus and cooked chickpeas for some extra plant protein. As you can see, I'm placing my hand below the lemon. That way I can catch all my seeds. And now to make it nice and smooth and creamy, add in oil, salt, and pepper to taste. Y'all know what to do. Blend that baby up. We're blending pesto down. We're making vegan food now. You wanna blend it so good. Yes, so next we're gonna smash up our cooked chickpeas. This is gonna add in even more plant-based protein, and of course, our stunning sauce gets mixed into all of that. You're gonna use this to pack up that sandwich and make it extra hearty and delicious. Now grab your tomato and slice it into nice thin pieces. We're gonna also use some fresh cucumber, slice that nice and thin as well, and then some spicy jalapeno. You can use pickled or fresh for this fabulous recipe. Now I'm gonna be using some gluten-free bread, but you can use whatever you enjoy. Just make sure to spread that sauce from edge to edge, and then we're gonna add on our plant-based cheese. I'm gonna be using some mozzarella cheese that's actually made from cashew milk. Now we're gonna give this a little toast and let it cook on up. Make sure to toast it until the cheese is melted and the bread is perfectly golden brown. Ooh, this looks incredible. So now that your bread is toasted, cheese is melted, and you got that sauce, let's pile it high with all of our fresh fabulousness. We got tomatoes, cucumber, and of course, jalapenos, Indian black salt, or kala namak to really make it pop. Now pile on that extra deliciousness, which is our protein pesto, as well as some fresh greens chopped and sprinkled all over the top.
And here we have it, plant-based perfection. Delicious, decadent, fresh pesto sandwich that just so happens to be 100% vegan, y'all. So I'm ready to dig on in. It's the final thing we gotta do, and it's time to get a bite. I don't know what else to say. Oh, wow. Oh, the hearty, creamy pesto, the fresh tomato, woo, and that melted mozzarella cheese. Y'all, it's a hit. It's so delicious. Y'all better dig on in. Y'all better get yourself a bite of everything that is so right. And be sure to also get my cookbook, get all of my recipes on my blog, OneGreatVegan.com, and dig on in, y'all. Whoa. That was a lot. But I ain't mad about it. Oh my gosh, y'all. Also, do not forget to subscribe, like, all that goodness. Put on those notifications for more delicious vegan food. Okay, peace, for real now.